My name is Dave Aronson, and this is my garage. I live in Kansas City, and I bought all of my product from Garage Flooring System LLC out of Gunnison, Colorado. Justin, John, Sammy, and the team basically helped me do all of this for the first time in my life. I'm 56 years old, I'll soon be 57, and this is the finished product. I've still got some things to fix. But the bottom line is that's my Tesla, these are my G floor mats, and that is my Polyurea triple coat flooring system from Garage Flooring LLC. This is the first opportunity that I've had to have the Tesla in here. I'm very proud of the work my wife and I did. It's not perfect. We did some things wrong we should have done, but it was the first time we've ever done it. But I think overall, I'm pretty tickled. I hope you like it. And if you're gonna do this, you need to call the guys at Garage Flooring LLC because they will walk you through everything that you need to know and help you have what I believe is a pretty damn good looking turnout. Adios.